Portugal ready to give family visas or not? What is the psychology of Portugal's current immigration? I will let you tell what is going to happen for the family reunion visas in the future, and what is the actual fate of the current family reunion laws just approved by the parliament. And I will analyze the family reunion visas since years, not months, not days, since years. There were significant issues of getting family appointments within Portugal. People looked very sad. Families were weeping. And then they were claiming to Portugal immigration department that if Portugal don't think families should come, why they have given permission only country within Europe that families can come, families can live, families can stay, families can work. This is the only country who is inviting family. Mean any person getting resident card, he is entitled to invite spouse, children, and even parents. Within Europe I am talking about, not about Canada. They also do, but within Europe only, Portugal is the country. But unfortunately, practically, almost zero result. You can say only 2 to 3% of the families are able to apply or able to get the family appointments. Portugal got idea that if 10 people will come or 10 people will get resident card, along with the 10 people, 100 people will be their families. Therefore, they did a tricky strategy. In the laws, it was present. Yes, you can bring your family. But practically, they stopped appointment because they knew that when we will give appointment, the people will fulfill legal requirements and they will definitely claim their stay within Portugal with the family's visas they were compelled to give. Therefore, they technically wanted to reduce family visas. They reduced family visas by reducing family appointment. But this was also against immigration laws, because when you are legally allowing people to apply and you don't give family appointments, any member of immigrant can go to the court and can claim that your country has immigration laws to invite family, but immigration department is not giving family appointment. So courts were giving family appointments. Through my channel, I also suggest that if you are not getting family appointment, you must go to the court, and people were utilizing the immigration laws benefits through the court, and they were getting family appointments, but they had to still wait a long sometime for the court decisions, and they need to consume a lot of money as well, because they need to hire a good lawyer for that. What will be the future fate? Some families will get visas because, as I told you in my analysis, Portugal want one thing: less people apply for family visas. They just want to reduce eligibility criteria, and they actually are able to reduce eligibility criteria, and they took much significant strategy. Their plan is that you have to live together for 1 year, spouse and it was also very difficult for some immigrants to prove that they are living together for 1 year, and they had combined electric bills, combined gas bills, combined house ship owner, or some other evidences by which immigration department can refuse, can accept. All authorities immigration department has mean immigration department first will reduce the numbers of the applicant. That applicants eligibility criteria will be only eligible that who have proof of living together at least 1 year after getting resident card. 50% families, according to my analysis, 50% families will filtered off. 50% families who want to go Portugal from overseas or within Portugal and they want to get resident card, they will be filtered off because they may have no proof of having 1 year relationship or 1 year proof that they both were living together, as US also demands such things. Criteria is good or bad, people are genuine or not, that 1 year proof, the people who are not giving, they are also genuine. That discussion I will do in other clip. But one thing is true, that Portugal is able to finish the criteria of application for all immigrants to apply family visas. Already 50% they will get less application, then they will be ready to give appointment, which is good sign. Because there is a pressure from the court as well to immigration department that if anything present in the law, why you are not giving appointment. As a result, people approach immigration courts and there is immense burden on the judges who are deciding immigration cases. And this was not only family case, in other cases as well of resident card, the courts have given letter to immigration departments that people are coming, delivery of resident card, and people are coming for renewing resident card, and people are coming for family reunion visas. At one side, it will be better idea that people at least will get family appointment. Earlier, whatever the people were eligible, but eligibility never matter when they are not giving family appointment, because there is no family appointment, there is no family reunion visa, there is no family reunion resident card. At least by reducing number of applicants, they will make applicable a lot of people to apply. And a lot of people make at family appointment. And next step may be, in my analysis, Portugal, is family appointment procedure. Because now they will have idea, now less people will apply and our target will be fulfilled to allot family reunion visas to the less people. Thank you very much.